Solar leasing sounds simple. No big upfront cost, no loan paperwork, just cheaper power from day one. That's what salespeople promise. But here's the truth nobody tells you: solar leases could be a trap. They're designed to lock you in for 20 to 25 years, strip away your tax credits, and in many cases cost you more in the long run than just buying or financing your own system. And with companies like PosiGen collapsing and firing almost all their employees, homeowners are learning the hard way that the solar lease can be the single worst financial decision they ever made. Stick with me because I'm not just exposing the traps of solar leases. At the end, I'll give you the one failsafe way to structure a lease so it can actually save you big money. Let's start with the basics. When you lease solar panels, you don't own them. The leasing company does. That means you don't get the 30% federal tax credit, you don't get the state incentives, you don't build any home value. All you get is a promise that we'll sell you solar electricity cheaper than the utility. On the surface, it looks attractive, but dig deeper and the cracks show. Here's mistake number one with leases: the escalator. Most solar leases increase your monthly payment by 2 to 3% every year. That sounds small, but compounding is brutal. I've reviewed one lease where the homeowner started at $90 a month. By year 10, they were paying $115. By year 20, they were paying $170. And here's the kicker: utility rates in their area didn't climb as fast. So by the midpoint of the lease, they were paying more than their neighbors who had stayed with the utility. Their savings evaporated. Over 25 years, that escalator cost them over $20,000. Mistake number two: you can't refinance or sell easily. If you sell your home, the lease has to be transferred to the buyer. That means the buyer has to qualify financially and agree to take on your payments. If they don't, you're stuck buying out the lease, which can cost tens of thousands. I've seen deals fall through because buyers don't want to inherit a 20-year-old solar lease contract. What should have been a smooth sale turned into a nightmare. Mistake number three: you're locked out of future technology. Solar panels and batteries are improving every year. Homeowners who bought their systems 5 years ago can upgrade, add batteries, or reconfigure. Lease customers, they're stuck with what they're signed for. Want to add an EV charger? Sorry. Want to add storage? Only if the leasing company offers it at their price. And you don't have control because you don't own the system. And then there's the bankruptcy risk. We just saw it with PosiGen, one of the biggest solar leasing companies in the US. They fired almost all their employees and left customers hanging. Imagine being locked into a 25-year contract with a company that no longer answers the phone, who services the panels, who honors your warranty, who to call when production drops. For many lease owners, the answer is no one. They're just stuck. Now let's talk numbers. A typical solar system might cost you $25,000 to buy outright. But with a federal tax credit, your net cost is closer to $18,000. Finance that with a low interest loan and your payments might be $100 a month fixed with no escalator, and you own the system at the end. With a lease, you skip the upfront cost but start paying, say, $90 a month with a 3% escalator. By year 25, you've paid over $35,000 and still don't own the panels. That's the trap. So why do so many companies push leases? Simple: profit. Leasing companies collect the tax credits, they collect the incentives, they lock you into predictable payments for decades. Investors love that. But for homeowners, it's a losing deal in most cases. The only people who truly benefit from solar leases are the companies selling them. Now, are there cases where a lease makes sense? Yes, but they're rare. If you absolutely cannot qualify for a loan and don't have the cash, a lease might give you some savings compared to staying with the utility. But even then, you're taking on a risk and you're giving away all the upsides. For 95% of the homeowners, financing or buying outright is the smarter move. But here's how to protect yourself. First, always compare the lifetime cost of a lease versus a purchase. Don't just look at year one payments, run the numbers 25 years out. Second, factor in the tax credit and the incentives you'll miss with a lease. Third, consider your home's future. If you think you might sell, avoid the complications of a lease. Fourth, look at warranties and service. If the leasing company goes under, you could be left with panels that nobody maintains. I've sat with families who lost thousands of dollars because they signed lease in a hurry. They thought they were on a saving journey, but they were signing away their rights. Don't make that mistake. So, is there a way to get a lease that works for you? Yes. Here's the failsafe method. Step one, pull out your last 12 months of electric bills, add up the total dollars you paid, and divide by 12. That's your true monthly average dollar bill. Step two, add up the total kilowatt hours that you used over the year. That's very important. Now you've got the two numbers that matter. When you sit with a solar company, here's what you demand: a fixed price lease that's at least 30% lower than your average dollar monthly bill. That price must stay locked for the full 25 years. No escalators, no hidden increases. Next, make sure the contract guarantees the solar production that's higher than your annual usage. Do those two things and you will win from year one. Your bills drop immediately, and every year, inflation and utility hikes make your savings even bigger, while your lease stays frozen at that lower number. That's how you flip the script and make a lease work for you and not against you. Solar is still one of the best investments that you can make. It lowers your bills, increases your home value, and gives you independence from utilities, but only if you own it. Leasing sounds simple, but it could be a financial trap. Don't give away your savings to a leasing company. Own your solar, own your energy, own your future. Do the lease, but only the fixed lease. Reach out to me at 609-908-3700 or visit my website, mysolarhome.us. Hope you enjoyed this video. You'll probably like my video on the best solar panels and the best inverters.